So obviously, Detective Fitzgerald from the State Attorney General's investigation unit was wrong, because obviously Detective Brian Mayer obviously saw that I had a case where the NYPD was negating my effort to receive justice for the grand theft that I suffered at the hands of the breaking ground Andrews House theft of my money from my room while I was in the hospital. So here's the complaint form for the State Attorney General's office at 28 Liberty Street, which is the New York City office. And here was the detective who gave me the complaint form. So when Detective Fitzgerald stated, "We don't investigate that," well, here's something that counters this, because this is the complaint form that I received. Of course, Miss Letitia James may not be aware of this, because obviously you have people running interference for you, but they would have never given me this complaint form, okay, if this had not been a case where they felt that I had a legitimate reason to move forward with the state investigation because of the NYPD's 5th Precinct Detective Lee not following up with the investigation of grand theft, which is why Breaking Ground Andrews was able to retaliate against me by throwing me out on the street after I went to the police and filed a complaint. This is the bullshit where you don't have any rights once you're in one of these programs. I would have never received this complaint form had Detective Brian Mayer had not seen enough probable cause to follow up with it. So somebody was negating and not following through with their job. This is conduct unbecoming and abuse of authority of the law enforcement community, which is supposed to protect people equally under the eyes of the law.